About to dive into the world of water bottles, something you probably use every single day, but might not think twice about. Quick, grab your water bottle and listen up because these 5 facts will totally change how you see that everyday sip. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at your bottle the same way again. Fact 1, if you ditch single-use plastic and switch to a reusable bottle, you can save around 167 plastic bottles every single year. That's just one person making a simple swap. Imagine if your whole family, your class, or even your office made the switch, those numbers would skyrocket. Imagine that, 167 bottles. Not only does your wallet thank you, but so does the planet. That's less plastic clogging up our landfills, less pollution in our rivers and oceans, and a cleaner, greener world for everyone. Think of all the plastic that won't pile up just because of one small habit change. It's a tiny action with a massive impact. Every refill is a step toward a healthier planet. Now, fact 2. This one's a little shocking. Only 9% of plastic bottles worldwide actually get recycled. That means the vast majority of bottles we use don't get a second life. They just stick around, sometimes for centuries. Just 9%. The rest? They're either sitting in landfills or floating around in our oceans, causing all sorts of trouble. Wildlife can mistake them for food, and they break down into microplastics that end up in our water and even our food. So, the next time you toss a bottle, remember, it doesn't just disappear. It could be around long after we're gone, unless we make smarter choices today. Moving on, fact 3. Check out this stainless steel water bottle I'm holding. It's not just stylish, it's packed with science. Thanks to vacuum insulation, it can keep your drink ice cold for up to 24 hours. Yup, that means your water stays chilled all day, whether you're trekking, working, or just chilling at home. And if you prefer hot drinks, some bottles keep them warm for up to 12 hours. It's like having a portable fridge or thermos in your bag. Science and style, all in one bottle. Plus, these bottles are super durable, so you won't need to replace them often. That's less waste and more savings for you. Let's rewind. Fact 4 takes us all the way back to 1947. The first commercial water bottles, they weren't plastic, they were glass. Back then, glass was the go-to for keeping water fresh and pure. Hard to imagine, right? Plastic bottles only became a thing decades later. The switch to plastic made bottles lighter and cheaper, but it also brought a whole new set of environmental challenges. So next time you see an old school glass bottle, give it a little nod. It's the OG. It's a reminder of how things used to be and maybe a hint at how we can do better in the future. And finally, fact 5. This one's a real eye-opener. A single plastic bottle can take up to 450 years to decompose. 450. That's almost 5 centuries. Imagine a bottle you use today still existing in the year 2474. That's longer than most empires have lasted in history. So every bottle you use and every bottle you save really does matter. Your choices today echo far into the future. Alright, time for a sip of water. Remember, your bottle's not just holding water, it's holding potential for change. Every refill, every reuse, is a small act of kindness to the planet and to future generations. If you found these facts cool, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs a little hydration inspiration. Let's spread the word and make sustainable choices together. Stay hydrated, stay awesome, and I'll catch you next time. Until then, keep sipping smart and making a difference, one bottle at a time.